How to install Applinked on Firestick. And in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Applinked on your Firestick. Now, Applinked is actually not available in Firestick App Store. So what you want to have to do is to download it separately. So you're going to have to use the downloader application that you can get into the Firestick application store. Once you access it, look for downloader, and this is going to be the application that we will be using to get AppLink. Now, for you to be able to download AppLink from the downloader app, you're going to have to type in this link right here and then change it from home into browser. Now, choose on download and choose on install, just like how you download and install APK files onto your Android devices. Once you've successfully downloaded AppLink and install, it should be able to run smoothly. And that's it. That's how you get AppLink on Firestick.